Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Canon G3010 printer to your laptop. First, turn on your printer by pressing the on or power button. Wait until the printer is fully ready. Next, press and hold the direct or Wi-Fi button until the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing on the LCD screen. This means the printer is now ready to pair with your network. Now, go to your laptop and open a web browser. Visit the official Canon support website and search for the Canon G3010 printer. Download the full driver and software package that matches your operating system. After the download finishes, open the downloaded AXE file to start the installation. When the setup wizard opens, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Continue until you are asked to choose a connection method. Select wireless LAN or Wi-Fi connection and click Next. Then choose Connect via wireless router. The setup software will begin searching for available printers. Give it a moment to find your Canon G3010. Once your printer appears in the list, select it and click Next. Type the password carefully and continue. The software will send the wireless settings to the printer and complete the connection process. Thanks for watching.